Hello, press. Hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can block any number on your iPhone. So, if you want to block any number, then you should go contact list. This is the contact list. So, if you want to block anyone, then you can just tap here. For example, Abdul Qayyum. Then, if you just scroll down, then just showing here block caller, block contract. Yes, just block done. So this is the pretty easy, and let me know if you have any issues. Then I'll try to fix and try to help as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.